Hey guys, Avery from Watkins Homesteading. If you guys have been following along, you know that we're in the preparation stages of getting some pigs. And the last box to check is building an automatic waterer, and I'm going to do that today. My inspiration came from the YouTube page Watts Way Farm. I'm going to tag the original video below. And yeah, let's get to it. So first you need something to hold your water. I was able to pick up a 65-gallon drum off Facebook Marketplace. You're gonna need some standard PVC pipe, a Sawzall to cut it, a heavy-duty drill to drill in your holes. You're gonna need some PVC cement, and then some PVC primer, plumber's tape, the hog nipples that you wanna use, okay? Some flexible adapters, and then 2 parts for the actual PVC pipe and the hog nipple waterers. I'm going to tag and link all of these things that you see here on the table below in the description. So first, with the Sharpie or some type of marker, piece of chalk, you want to mark on your barrel where you're going to insert your cut at. All depending on the size of your pigs, I suggest to not make your cut at the angle here in the barrel, but at least 4 inches above that. I'm going to do mine because our pigs are going to be probably between 45 and 60 pounds, about a foot high. So I don't have measuring tape. I do, but I'm not going to use it. And just kind of eyeball it to go about right here for my first incision. And then I'm going to do another one about a foot away, either to the left or right, for my other incision. And grab the tape measure for this. Cut my PVC pipe, 2 8-inch pieces. So take it out. Boom, notch 8 inches. And then find another clear, good spot. Notch another 8 inches, okay? This is going to feed through the barrel, okay? So you want to make sure, obviously, that it's hitting the water, which is going to do when this is filled up past your notch marks, okay? And then you also, you're making the incision because it's going to feed through the universal adapters, so it's going to be a little bit harder for the pigs to pull it out. There's going to be some resistance there, so you're hoping to probably expose maybe 1 inch to 2 inches, and then with a tug and pull, tug and pull, tug and pull, they're going to get tired, hopefully to a point that they don't pull it out completely and have all your water flow out. So hopefully with the resistance of the universal adapter that this PVC pipe is going to flow through, on top of the fact that there's 8 inches of pole to pull out, your hogs get tired and they stop the destructive behavior and get bored and move on to something else. So now I'm going to take my Sawzall, cut these 2 down, and then also cut the holes with my hammer drill into the barrel itself. All right, so we've got the 2 holes drilled into the barrel, as you can see. Now let's get the PVC pipe cleaned up. Let's take off any additional shreds and shards. All right. So you're first going to use a purple primer to prime your pipe. And then on top of that, you're going to use actual glue. Ow, Willie. Excuse me. All right, so you use your primer, and you're gonna use your cement, okay, to glue this end, the smooth end, okay, of the adapter onto this side. So the primer, go around it a few times. Make sure it's covered. Then off to the side. Get the cement. Do the same thing. Okay. Oh. Push it on real good. You can do that for both. While those are drying off to the side, I'm going to take my plumber's tape and wrap the threads of the hog nipples, okay? This helps to ensure that there's a good seal between the nipple part and the actual adapter part. Now with some pliers, hand tighten it as much as you can, and then get the pliers, okay? And use that tool to tighten it so it's in there very good, tight, and secure. I'm now going to take the PVC pipe, about the 8 inches with the nipple adapter on the end, and thread it through the uniseal, and then stick it in the water. All right, we've got it all set up. We've put some peanut butter on the nipple parts, so once they bite the peanut butter, they'll also see that water comes out. That way they get used to knowing how to use it. As you can see, they're already slowly starting to figure it out.